In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the work list. From your home screen, you can choose the work list option. If you click on the work list, you'll see the most recent items you've been working on. And this includes, your work list includes all of the tasks you have assigned to you. It also includes any issues, approvals, project requests, proposals, or any assignable item may show up on your work list. One thing to note is that your work list only shows project tasks from projects that are already active and from projects that have tasks that will start in the near future, usually about 7 days from today. So if a task is scheduled for further in the future, or if the project's not active, it will not show on this list. From here, you'll see here's the status of the task, the name of the task, and which project it's on, and when it's due. If you'd like to update the status of a recent task, click on the link, and the status layer will show. You can change the status to one of your defined status codes, like making this done. You can also start a timer here if you are using time entry. You also can send a comment and tag somebody, just like in Facebook or other social media applications. The tagging will send a notification to the individual that you have tagged them. So in this case, I will ask for help. Once I'm done with that, I can take a look at entering time. If I want to enter an hour of time on here and then add what I was working on, I can add a description here as well. And then choose save, and then saving the status, and it has marked this task done now. Next time I come to the work list, that item will not appear. Same thing can be done below. If I would like to mark a task done, this is the task name and what project it's on. I can simply click on here, and the same interface just came up where I can mark it done, tag somebody in a comment, or enter time. So these are all the basic functions that you can do on the work list. If you would like to navigate to the actual task display, you can do so by clicking on this link, and it'll take you to the display where more details about this task. In this case, there's a location involved, the status of the task, any comments. You can also see related items here as well. You can add a file from one of the online locations, or you can upload the file yourself or drag and drop them on there. So this is how you would add files or see any existing files to this task. And if you hit the little back button, it takes you right back to your work list, and I can navigate back to the home screen where I started from. So that's the work list.